Carved gourds offer a creative and unexpected twist on traditional Halloween decorations. While pumpkins have long been the centerpiece of spooky season displays, gourds, those are small, uniquely shaped relatives, present a world of possibilities for intricate and imaginative designs. When paired with Carbide burrs, a specialized carving tool, gourds become the perfect canvas for delicate patterns and detailed motifs that elevate any Halloween table setting. The magic begins with selecting your gourds. Unlike pumpkins, gourds come in a range of shapes, sizes, and textures. Some are smooth and round, others elongated or bumpy, each offering its own character to your carving project. Their sturdy shells make them ideal for more precise, controlled detailing, especially when using Carbide burrs. These small rotary bits are designed to cut cleanly through hard surfaces, allowing for crisp lines and finely etched designs that are difficult to achieve with traditional carving knives. Before carving, prep your gourds by cleaning and drying them thoroughly. Decide whether you'll carve all the way there through the surface to reveal interior light, or simply etch patterns onto the skin for a subtler effect. Carbide burrs give you the flexibility to do both, enabling you to create anything from delicate filigree to bold, dramatic cutouts. Patterns can range from classic Halloween symbols like bats, spiders, and ghosts to elegant geometric designs, floral motifs, or even personalized monograms. As you carve, the sound of the burr biting into the shell is satisfying, and the process invites a sense of artistry and focus. It's not just about making holes or cutting lines. It's about transforming a humble gourd into a miniature sculpture. The details matter: the swirl of a vine, the sharpness of a tooth on a grinning jack-o'-lantern face, or the symmetry of a repeating pattern. The rich colors of the gourd skin, deep greens, vibrant oranges, creamy whites, add another layer of visual interest, contrasting beautifully with the carved sections. Once your gourds are carved, the next step is arranging them as table decorations. Their size and versatility make them perfect for centerpieces, place settings, or scattered along a mantel. You can nestle tiny LED tea lights inside to cast flickering shadows through the cutouts, or display them as they are for a more natural look. Surround your carved gourds with autumn leaves, acorns, and small branches to create a festive, organic tablescape that feels both whimsical and refined. Beyond their decorative appeal, carved gourds spark conversation and curiosity. Guests may marvel at the intricate designs and wonder how they were made. For those who enjoy crafting, the technique opens up a new realm of possibilities. Experimenting with patterns, mixing and matching different gourd shapes, or even painting and embellishing the carved surfaces with metallic accents, glitter, or glow-in-the-dark paint for added drama. The process of carving gourds with Carbide burrs is also surprisingly accessible. With a rotary tool, a selection of burrs, and a bit of patience, even beginners can achieve impressive results. The key is to sketch your design lightly before carving and let the shape of each gourd inspire your creativity. Mistakes are easy to incorporate into the final design, and the organic nature of the material means that every piece is unique. As Halloween approaches, consider moving beyond pumpkins and exploring the world of carved gourds. They offer a refreshing alternative that combines tradition with innovation, craftsmanship with playfulness. Whether adorning a festive dinner table or lighting up a cozy corner, these miniature masterpieces are sure to enchant and delight, embodying the spirit of the season in a way that is both charming and unforgettable.